And the gears we're going to be replacing are this one, this one, this one, this one, and the main drive gear, which doesn't usually need to be replaced, but we got genuine Singer parts here, so we're going to do that. Next thing you want to do with this, you want to take this out. This bracket helps hold in the electric motor and the power connector, so you need that loose. Set our parts aside. Okay. Next, this shaft that's in here. To remove that, you're going to need an Allen key. This is American sized, and I believe it is, let me look at the sizes here, 7/64 if I'm not correct. Okay, this nut here on this piece, I'll give you a close-up. This is left-hand thread, so you're going to want to use, I believe this is a 5/16. Yeah. So you're going to want to loosen that up. And there's also a screw on this side, a small screw. You can use a small box wrench to do this, or you can use a good screwdriver. The box wrench I have here is 5/32 that fits that. Or I could be wrong, let me see. Yep, 5/32. No, sorry, 3/16. Okay. I recommend removing this gear first and replacing it last because it makes it easier to get into here. Now you don't want to lose that screw or the rest of this assembly. Just take your time and remember which way it goes back together. That comes off, that comes off. Then there's a little spring. Okay. There's a little Allen set screw on there. You loosen that, that gear's going to come right out. That one's not in bad shape, but we're going to replace that anyway. We're going to rotate this mechanism in here, and there are a set screw on each gear. Go ahead and loosen this one. And you're going to go over here and loosen this one. Okay, once you get that, loosen that set screw. There's a couple in here. So we're going to do the second one. And I should be able to walk the shaft out of place, because you're not going to be able to get that gear off. So the shaft's going to walk forward. This gear is going to drop out. And you pull the shaft out right through the hole where your electric connection goes. Okay, that's how you disassemble that part. Okay, the next thing you're going to see, if you look way down in there, actually right there, there's a drive gear in there we need to replace. We need to get that one out, and that'll let that bottom gear come out. So I'm going to go ahead and remove that. Sometimes it's easier if you take this plate off. If you do, you will see me remove it. You do not want to move these adjusters up past this point. And if you do, take a good look down in there. That's kind of where you want them to be if they do get out of place. So I'm going to plant you on a tripod and we're going to have at it. Okay. Not a good view, but not a bad view. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this off. If you don't already see this screw, you just have to move that in and over like so. You don't have to do it, but it makes things easier, as you'll see. Okay. Press down. Got a pretty good shot of what I'm doing. I'm loosening the set screw off to the right here. And then, okay, I don't want to back that out the whole way. Flip this over. And reach underneath, and that's going to come out. You're going to set that aside, and then there's a little gear that's fun to get in and out. So I'm going to drop that down below. Take it out.